Dude, another special marine warning. Why are the tones so long? Like literally, this is not a watch. Bro, why is it doing this again? Hold up a minute. Oh my god.
The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service.
Dude, another special marine warning.
Area has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, California, out to 10 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon
That's a
Point,
big
California, 10 nautical
special
miles.
marine warning.
Waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, 10 to 60 nautical miles.
What the
Waters
heck?
from Point Pinos to Point Pinos, Blanca, 10 to 60 nautical
Dude.
miles. Waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point, 10 to 60 nautical miles until 11:38 Pacific Standard Time.
What the heck?
At 10:54 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 29 nautical miles west of Point Nuevo to 51 nautical miles southwest of Point Sur, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Dude, what the heck?
Severe thunderstorms will remain over
Another
ocean
one.
waters.
That's
Move to
crazy.
safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can
What
produce
the
several
heck?
waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily
Dude.
overturn boats and create
Like
locally
literally.
hazardous seas.
Oh my god.
Safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with these
Again,
storms.
frequent lightning.
If caught on the open water stage,
Dude.
if possible, keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
What the heck?